We are pleased to show you the 2020 Q5 Hybrid. The Q5 Hybrid offers the latest, most intuitive technology coupled with the most forward-looking design. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.